I'm so happy to see all these little piggies here! Are you all here to open the world's first Peppa Pig theme park? Woo! This is so exciting!
And these are my friends. Hello! Thank you so much for joining us today. Everyone's come out. Say hello. Gather with the friends you know. Wave and say hello. We're all ready, so let's go! Are you all here to open the world's first Peppa Pig theme park? We're missing someone. 1, 2, 3. Hello, George. Hello, Mommy Pig and Daddy Pig. What a surprise! But I think it's time to open up the world's first Peppa Pig theme park. Peppa, Mr. Rex, everyone, are you ready? Well, let's go. We're going to count backwards, starting with 5. Here we go. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. It's now Peppa Pig. Peppa Pig. Peppa